Hello children, welcome to AKN Sprint Education. Myself Naveen. In this video, let us discuss about SSC Public Examination April 2023 Science. Part 1 Physical Science question paper. Okay, as you all know that Part A, which is 30 marks, 6 plus 12, 18, 18 plus 12, 30, 30 plus 10, 40. So as part A carries 30 marks and part B 10 marks, right? Now coming to part A, section 1. So 3 very short answer questions are there in this section 1. Answer all the questions. Each question carries 2 marks. Write answers to each question into 3 to 4 sentences. Now coming to first question, mention uses of nanotubes, which is an allotropy form of carbon in day-to-day life. Children, what are the uses of nanotubes? We know that nanotubes are used as molecular wise. What are the uses of nanotubes? Nanotubes are used as molecular wise. In integrated circuits, nanotubes are used to connect components together, and then nanotubes are used to insert biomolecules into single cell. So they are the uses of nano. Now coming to second question, list out the materials required in the experiment reaction of acids with metals. What are the materials required in the experiments reaction of acids with metals? The required materials are test tube, delivery tube, glass straw, candle, soap water, dilute HCl, zinc granules and rubber corks. They are the required material when acids react with the metals. Now coming to third question, what will happen if household electrical appliances are connected in series connection, right? So see here, the electrical appliances are connected in parallel in a household circuit. Actually electrical appliances are connected in parallel in a household circuit, because parallel wiring, if any electrical appliance is switched off, other appliances don't get off. So if we switch off one electrical appliances, it is not affected to the other electrical appliances, right? If one appliance in a set of series combination breaks down, the circuit becomes open and the flow of current ceases. If one appliance in a set of series combination, to avoid this, the household appliances like bulb, TV, fan, etc. are not connected in series. So if we connect in series, the whole circuit becomes open, current will not flow into the circuit. That is the reason we will use always will connect electrical appliances in parallel connection. Okay children. Now coming to section 2, 3 short answer questions are there in this section 2. Answer all the questions. Each question carries 4 marks. Write answers to each question in 5 to 6 sentences. Coming to first question, write the uses of washing soda in day-to-day life. What are the uses of washing soda in day-to-day life? Yeah, see here. Uses of washing soda. Sodium carbonate Na2CO3 is used in glass, soap and paper industries. Especially washing soda they will use in glass, soap and paper industries. Second point, it is used in the manufacture of sodium compounds such as borax. Second point is what? Which is used in manufacturing of sodium compounds such as borax. Next, sodium carbonate can be used as cleaning agent for domestic purpose and clothes, right? It is used for removal of permanent hardness of water. It is used for removal of permanent hardness of water. First point, which is used in soap, glass and paper industries. Second point, which is used in manufacture of sodium compounds such as borax. Third one is can be used as cleaning agent for domestic purposes. It is like washing clothes, it is used in removal of permanent hardness of water. Okay children. Now coming to fifth question, observe the given table and answer the following question. They have given atomic number and name of the elements. Atomic number from 11 to 17: sodium, magnesium, aluminum, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine. which period does the elements belongs to? I mean they are in third period, right? First period hydrogen helium, second period lithium it will start, and helium neon it will end. Third period it starts from sodium, okay, ends with the 18th element, helium neon argon, okay. So they all are belongs to third period, right? Now coming to second question, mention the non-metals in the above. What are the non-metals? Here the non-metals are, you can see here non-metals are silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine. They are the non-metals. Silicon is semi non-metal, right? It starts from silicon, okay. Now what is the third question? As the third question is, which element has more atomic radius in the above? As it decreases from right to left in the period, so more atomic radius is sodium. What is the more atomic radius? Which is sodium. From left to right, how is the metallic character changes? As we know that metallic character is decreases. Metallic character is decreases. Next. Now coming to sixth question, during sunset and sunrise, sun appears red. Why? Molecules having a size comparable to the wavelength of red light are less in the atmosphere. Hence, scattering red color is less when compared to the other colors of light. The light from the sun needs to travel more distance in atmosphere during sunrise and sunset to reach your eye. In morning and evening times, during sunrise and sunset, except the red light, all colors scatter more and vanish before they reach you. Okay, this is the important point. During morning time and evening time, except red light, all colors scatter more and vanish before they reach you. Since scattering of red light is very small, it reaches you. As a result, sun appears red in color during sunrise and sunset. Okay, children. Now coming to section 3. In this section 3 essay type questions are there in this section. Answer any 2 questions, but each question carries 6 marks. I mean 2 into 6, that is 12. Write answers to each question in 8 to 10 sentences. Okay. Now coming to first question, list out the materials required to observe the types of images and measuring the object distance from concave mirror. Explain the experimental procedure. Okay, children. So the materials required are a candle, paper, that is called screen, concave mirror, V-stand, measuring tape or meter scale. And procedure is what? Place the concave mirror on V-stand, arrange the candle and meter scale as shown in the figure, right? Keep the candle at different distances from the mirror, that is from 10 centimeters to 80 centimeter along the axis, and by moving the paper, find the position where the sharp image is got on the paper. Measure the object distance, measure the image distance and note down in the given table. See serial number 1, distance of candle from the mirror, that is called as object distance, and distance of paper from the mirror, that is called image distance, and mirror formula 1 by f equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. Okay, and then we will find the focal length. So as we change the distance of the candle from the object, that is from 80 to 20, you'll get different distance image. So find the average of focal lengths obtained in the experiment. The average f is the focal length of the given mirror. Okay, children. Now coming to 8th question, draw the ray diagram to form the image when an object is placed between f and c on the principal axis of a convex lens. On the principal axis of convex lens, we know that convex lens this is optic center, right? So this is focus 1, C1, F2, C2. When you place an object between F and C of the principal axis of a convex lens, a ray of light which is parallel to the principal axis of a convex lens, after refraction it must passes through the focus. Now the second ray of light which is passing through optic center, after refraction it does not deviate its path. The both rays are going to be meet at this point here, right? So where do you got the image? When you place an object between F and C, we got an image beyond C. So we got an image beyond center of curvature. And what are the characteristics of an image? So we got other side of the line beyond C, which is inverted, right? Which is inverted image. So these are the characteristics of an image. Next, third question: explain the formation of N2 molecule by using valency bond theory. Okay, which is also an important question. This is from chapter number 8, that is called chemical bonding, which is also a repeated question. Most of the time they ask this question. What is the question? Explain the formation of N2 molecule by using valency bond theory, right? So nitrogen has an electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2px1, 2py1, 2pz1, because nitrogen atomic number 7, 2 plus 2 4, 5, 6, 7. Suppose px orbital of one nitrogen atom overlaps px orbital of another nitrogen atom, giving sigma px px bond along the internuclear axis. The py and pz orbital of one nitrogen atom overlap the py pz orbital of another nitrogen atom laterally, respectively perpendicular to internuclear axis, giving pi bond, pi py py and pi pz pz. Therefore N2 molecule has triple bond between two nitrogen atoms. You can see the diagram. Actually diagram is the most important point, right? So this is, I can draw the diagram here so you can understand clearly. This is px orbital, x, y, z, y orbital. This is z orbital, one nitrogen molecule, plus this is second nitrogen molecule, px, py, pz, which gives, see here, px to px overlap. Here you'll get sigma bond, z overlap, you'll get here pi bond, y overlaps, we'll get pi, py, this is pi, pz. Okay, you'll get the N2 molecule has triple bond, one sigma bond and one sigma bond and two pi bonds. Okay, now coming to part B, we know we need to answer all the question. Each question carries 1 mark. Total 10 MCQs, 10 1 10. Which of the following orbital represents n equal to 3, l equal to 0 quantum numbers? N equal to 1 first shell, n equal to 3 also first shell, l equal to 0, the name of the subcell is S, so answer is 3s. Now coming to second MCQ, the number of oxygen atoms took part in the following chemical reaction, because here 3 to the 6 oxygen atoms, so option C. The resultant resistance of a parallel connection of two resistance 2 ohms and 3 ohms, so I mean R1 into R2 by R1 plus R2, 2 into 3, 6 by 5. 6 by 5 is nothing but 1.2, option A. Modern periodic table is constructed based on the properties of the elements of atomic number. What is the answer? Answer is option B. If you place a bar magnet inside the copper coil steadily, then which of the following statement is true? When we place a copper coil inside the bar magnet, current is induced in the coil. So option A. IUPAC name of the following carbon compound is. So here we have 5 carbon atoms, obviously, which is spent. So here functional group is OH, nothing but ol. Priority goes to functional group 1 2. I mean 1 ol, and here double bond. So here 2 chlorine, 2 chloro, pent 3 in 1 ol. Option A. Which of the following is not a concentration of concentration method of 4. That is, Fouling is not a concentration method of 4. What is the maximum focal length of human eye lens? That is 2.50 centimeter. The quantum number represents the size and energy of the main cell is N, and the device which converts electrical energy into mechanical energy is electric motor. Okay children, this is physical science total part A and part B we discussed. I hope you it will be very helpful for you to get 10 out of 10 in your physical science. Thank you children.